So I know you're excited to go straight into this practice video, but I just want to hop in, make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity to download my Yoga Essentials for Lower Back Pain e-guide, where I share 4, or what I call magic 4 poses that my clients swear by that help them resolve and manage their chronic lower back pain. So go ahead and click on the link below or on my website at elaineyoga.com to grab your e-guide, and along with your e-guide, you'll also get video tutorials to help you with your practice. All right, let's get on with the practice here today.
Hi everyone, this is Elaine, certified yoga therapist, bringing you chronic pain and chronic illness friendly yoga that won't leave you drained and inflamed afterwards. So this is part of my series taking you my 3-step strategy to resolving lower back pain. And if you haven't already, make sure you watch my previous kind of a preliminary video of explaining why release needs to happen before you strengthen anything in your core and lower back. Strengthening the core is usually something that people gravitate to or get advice on when they say their lower back hurts. But in that video, I explain why that probably will be more harmful to you, especially if you have chronic low back pain, then it is helpful. So in this first step of my 3-step strategy, I'm going to take you through 3 poses to help you release your pesky and stubborn lower back tension. So to begin, you're going to start by lying down on the floor. Now, I would always recommend first sitting down on the floor instead of flopping down, especially if you have any acute lower back problems right now. Use a chair, use the wall, whatever you need to help yourself get down. Sit so that you're stable, and then come onto your side and roll onto your back. It's probably the most, the safest position that you can do to help you transition between all of these positions. So now that you are on your back here, bend your knees and rest your feet on the floor. Bring your arms down by your side. And you're going to take your feet just a little bit further apart and let your knees rest against each other so that you don't need to use any leg or inner thigh muscles or hip muscles to help you keep your legs upright and keep your legs supported. So this is a constructive resting pose, which is very often used for any lower back and pelvis tension or pain. You're going to start here with a couple of deep breaths into your belly. Exhaling out through your nose. Inhale all the way into your belly. And exhaling through your nose. Inhale through your belly. Exhale through your nose. And continue a few more times like this. So with the breath being channeled and directed down into your belly, you may even feel your breath kind of going down along the backside of your body as well, almost like it's caressing and smoothing out and soothing along your spine. So you can feel that. You can even direct your breath more into the back of your body in towards your spine. You can even imagine as you inhale, your breath comes in through your nose, in and down your spine to your pelvis. Exhaling up your spine and out through your nose. In through your nose, down your spine to your pelvis. Exhale up and out through your nose. Take a few more like this. And essentially what you're doing is using your breath to internally massage what is tight. We can use movement through our bodies to help soften and release tension from the outside in, but we can also just as effectively, if not more so, release tension with our breath from the inside out. So go and take one more breath like this. And then at the end of your next exhale, Now heel toe your feet in towards each other. Bring your knees into your chest, one at a time. Okay, this is the least strenuous for your lower back. Don't just flail both of your legs in. Okay, one at a time. And then hold your knees side by side with your arms. And see if you notice any changes in the effects from just that brief breathing practice there. You may feel some more space, maybe some more blood flow simply by bringing your awareness there, bringing the breath down into your spine and pelvis. All right. Now, with your left hand on your left knee, right hand on your right knee, keep your elbows by your side and your knees relaxed so their feet are kind of dangling here. You're going to try to relax your legs and hips as much as possible so that really it's your arms that are doing the work to keep your legs and knees supported at this position, okay? So if I would let go of my hands, my legs would just kind of flop out. Okay, if I let go of my hands and my knees are still drawn in like this, static, then I'm definitely using some hip and lower back muscles to keep my knees upright like this. So hold your knees as if you're holding a newborn child. Let your legs kind of just lean into that. So your arms will have to work a little bit here for sure. Soften your belly. And then as you inhale, straighten your arms so that you bring your knees away from you. Exhale, bend your elbows to bring your knees into your chest. Inhale, straighten your arms. And again, you're still keeping your legs really, really relaxed. You're not doing the work. Okay, so you should feel some weight in your arms and your hands right here. Exhale, bend your elbows to bring your knees in. Inhale, straighten your arms. And exhale, bring your knees into your chest. So this is almost like a little massage from the outside in. If your legs are truly relaxed here and you're using just your arms to guide your legs in this motion, then it's almost as if you're using your thigh bones, your leg bones right here to massage and lean weight into muscles and tissues deeply embedded in your pelvis and your lower spine. Inhale, exhale. Good. One more here. Inhale. And exhale, bring both knees in and then relax. If you felt like you did use some hip or lower back muscles to help you move through those exercises, then don't worry. It's always a little hard at first to relax what is tight, especially in the hips and lower back. So here you can take this opportunity as you take the next couple breaths to relax fully through your hips, belly, and low back. Okay, then you're going to bring your right foot down onto the floor. And you can either hold down your left thigh or onto the pants or the seams of your pants rather. As you inhale, straighten your leg up towards the ceiling and flex your ankle. Now you'll definitely feel a strong stretch down your calves and hamstrings. So if it's really, really intense, don't straighten as much. Bend a little bit, okay? Or move your leg a little bit away from you. Okay, and then exhale. I'm going to hug your left knee in and slightly bring it out to your left side, almost like it's pointing to your left arm and hugging on the left side of your rib cage. Inhale, straighten your leg up towards the ceiling, holding the back of your thigh or on the pants. Exhale, bend your left knee and gently hug your thigh towards the outside of your left rib cage. Inhale, straighten up. And exhale, bring your left knee in. So this just helps stretches out your hamstrings and part of your hips and glutes, both of which, when tight, can exacerbate any lower back tension as well. Okay, so we're releasing the hamstrings and glutes in order to release what is tight in the lower back. We'll do one more. Inhale, straighten up. And exhale, bring your left knee in. Okay, good. And then relax your left foot down onto the floor. Go ahead and switch sides. Bring your right knee in. Okay, and hold either the back of your right leg or on the pants. Inhale, straighten your right leg up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bend your knee and hug your knee into your chest. Inhale, straighten your right leg up towards the ceiling. Again, you can keep your knee slightly bent here if it's really intense, or bring your leg slightly away. Exhale, hug your knee in, relax your foot. So that's kind of going outside, just on the outside of your right rib cage here. And you'll probably also feel a little stretch and release in your lower back as you bring this knee in. Continue, inhale, flowing along with your breath, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Let's do one more, inhale, and exhale, bring your knee in, gently hug, and then set your right foot down onto the floor. Bring your arms down by your side or onto your belly, and give yourself a few easy breaths in and out. To come out, you roll onto your side again, just like how you came down on the floor, and then press yourself up using your arms. So there you have it. Those are my 3 most commonly used poses in my 3-step strategy for resolving lower back pain. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel here, because I'm going to come out in the next couple weeks with step 2 and step 3, which are mobilize and strengthen respectively. If you enjoyed this video and found this helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and you can share with your friends, family, or colleagues. And make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss my next 2 videos, which are coming out next 2 weeks. All right, I don't want you to miss that, because then I want you to resolve your lower back pain. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.